From the moment you lift the EGO Power Plus LM2125 SP out of its box, you sense that this isn't your grandfather's lawn mower rebranded with a lithium battery. It's a genuine leap forward in yard care technology. The sturdy steel deck, finished in EGO's signature charcoal gray, feels every bit as robust as comparable gas-powered models, yet the absence of a bulky engine up front shifts the balance point farther back, making the machine surprisingly nimble. As you snap on the adjustable handle, which folds easily for compact storage or vertical orientation, and slide the hefty 56V 7.5Ah arc lithium battery into its slot with a satisfying click, you realize this is a mower designed around user experience, not merely power. With a simple push-button start, the brushless motor springs to life in a near-silent hum that belies its capability. The real showstopper, though, is EGO's touch-drive self-propel system. A gentle press of your palm against the right lever engages the rear-wheel drive, and with a subtle twist of the speed control dial at your fingertips, you can dial in the precise forward speed you want. No more awkward, all-or-nothing engagement. Whether you're coasting along flat ground or nudging the mower uphill, the touch drive responds instantly, giving you a truly hands-on throttle feel akin to a high-end zero-turn, minus the dizzying price tag and bulky footprint. As the 21-inch blade disc spins at up to 6.0 ft-lbs of torque, you're struck by two things. First, how effortlessly it tears through both thick fescue and tangly Bermuda without hiccups. Second, how quietly it operates under load. Without the roar of a gas engine, you can actually enjoy mowing, rather than endure it, and your neighbors will thank you when you trim at dawn or dusk. Those bright LED headlights illuminate your path without glaring across property lines. I tested the LM2125 SP on a cool spring morning, and even as dew soaked the grass, the mower offered smooth acceleration and clean cuts, leaving behind a uniform carpet of finely mulched clippings that vanished back into the turf. No clumping, no clogging, no complaints. One of the most persistent anxieties about cordless mowers is runtime, but here EGO has gone fully nuclear. The included 7.5Ah battery delivered a solid 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, even under heavier loads, covering roughly 3/4 of an acre at a measured walking pace. For those with larger properties, the mower's dual battery port offers an elegant solution. Simply plug in a second battery and the mower automatically switches over when the first pack dips below a critical level. You'll never watch grass grow while your battery charges, and the rapid charger returns each pack to full in under 45 minutes, so downtime is minimal. Offering this level of uninterrupted operation is precisely what elevates the LM2125 SP from a niche weekend gadget to a genuine workhorse. Customization underfoot is equally user-centric. A single lever controls 7 cutting heights, from a pristine 1.25 inches perfect for a golf green look, up to a generous 4 inches that lets you adapt to warm season grasses or drier conditions. Shifting heights mid-mow takes just a flick of the wrist, and with 3 disposal options, mulch, side discharge, or bagging in the capacious 2-bushel grass bag, you can tailor your clippings exactly how you need them. I found the mulch plug especially effective. Clippings shredded into minuscule particles act as a natural fertilizer, and over the course of several weekly visits, my lawn's resilience and color noticeably improved. Best of all, you avoid the chore of hauling bags of grass to the curb. Ergonomics and feel factor heavily into the overall experience. The handlebar is comfortably padded and the overall vibration is imperceptible, attributable to the brushless motor's refined operation. Engaging the touch drive requires a light press, no full grip squeeze, so your arms stay relaxed. And unlike many self-propelled models that lock you into a single speed, the scroll dial design gives you incremental control, allowing you to creep through tight garden borders or blast across open meadows at will. The mower's center of gravity sits low, which helps maintain stability on slopes up to 15 degrees, and the deck's reinforced steel resists warping even after multiple leanbacks for under-deck cleaning. Maintenance, or rather the lack of it, is a revelation. Say goodbye to oil changes, air filters, spark plugs, and carburetor hassles. The only regular tasks are sharpening the blade once a season and rinsing the deck with a hose to clear debris. The IPX4 rated battery compartment seals out moisture and dust, so you can tackle early morning dew or unexpected drizzles without fear of electrical corrosion. In practical terms, that means you spend your Saturdays admiring your lawn, not elbow deep in engine grease trying to coax a stubborn carburetor to life. Even with all these premium features, the LM2125 SP lands at a surprisingly accessible price point of $699, well below competing zero-turn electric mowers and only marginally above high-end gas push mowers once you factor in fuel and maintenance costs. Over time, eliminating gasoline, oil, and tune-up expenses will more than offset the upfront investment. Additionally, EGO's robust 5-year warranty on both the tool and battery pack underscores their confidence in build quality and long-term reliability. If there's a drawback, it's that the dual battery feature slightly reduces the size of the grass bag, which sits at about 1.5 bushels compared to some single battery mowers. For marathon mowing sessions on full-acre plots, you may find yourself emptying the bag more frequently than you'd like. Taller operators, over 6 feet 2 inches, might also wish for a bit more handle height adjustment, though the fold and store design more than compensates by freeing up garage floor space. These are minor quibbles in an otherwise stellar package.